Planning a great event but no one's talking about it? You've got the event, the speakers, the venue, the buzz, but getting media coverage? That's a whole other challenge. Want to get your event noticed by the press? Before we dive in, check out our blog, How to Write an Event Press Release with Examples. The link is in the description below. Let's walk through how to build a press release template that helps your event grab attention in 5 clear steps. Step 1. Start with a strong headline. Think of your headline like a news story. It should instantly tell journalists why your event matters. Make it clear, specific, and exciting. Step 2. Lead with the key details. Right after the headline, give the most important info first. Who's hosting the event, what it's about, when and where it's happening, and why it matters. Journalists should be able to get the full picture at a glance. Step 3. Craft a compelling event description. This is your chance to go deeper. What makes your event unique? Are there keynote speakers, new product launches, or a special cause involved? Step 4. Add a quote or two. A short quote from an organizer or speaker adds credibility and a personal touch. It also gives journalists something they can pull directly into their stories. Step 5. Finish with boilerplate and contact info. Wrap it up with a brief about section and media contact details. This keeps things professional and makes follow-ups easy. And that's it. A simple, reusable event press release template that can help your event get the attention it deserves. If you want examples, ready-to-use templates, and expert tips, head to the blog. The link's in the description. Thanks for watching. Hit like, share this with your team, and subscribe for more event marketing tips.